Did you know there's a dolphin that's actually pink and it lives in a river? Meet the Amazon River dolphin, one of the most mysterious creatures in the Amazon. Unlike gray ocean dolphins, this one turns pink as it ages and can become even brighter when it's excited. But that color isn't just for looks. It comes from blood vessels close to the skin and even helps attract mates. Instead of oceans, it swims through flooded forests, weaving between trees like a maze. And thanks to its flexible neck, it can turn its head side to side, something most dolphins can't do. It hunts using echolocation in dark waters and feeds on fish, crabs, and even small turtles. They are also among the most intelligent river animals, often showing curiosity around boats and people. But sadly, this magical creature is under threat from pollution and habitat loss. So next time you think dolphins are just gray, remember this. Because deep in the Amazon, a pink dolphin is gliding through the trees like something out of a dream. In many indigenous legends, people believe these pink dolphins don't stay dolphins forever. They say at night, they transform into charming young men, enter villages, and seduce women, with stories claiming they can even impregnate them. Then by sunrise, they disappear back into the river and become dolphins again. It's a myth that's been passed down for generations, adding even more mystery to this already unbelievable animal. Now the real question is, would you believe it if you saw one? Follow for more crazy animal facts.